As artificial intelligence becomes the core infrastructure of modern industry, Mondrian AI is driving innovation through safe and responsible AI operations. As a specialized AI company, Mondrian AI provides end-to-end solutions across data, platforms, cloud, and infrastructure, empowering public institutions, healthcare, manufacturing, and financial organizations in their journey toward AI transformation. Yennefer is Mondrian AI's integrated AI platform that unifies every stage of the AI lifecycle, from data collection and refinement to training, validation, deployment, and monitoring, all in one place. Building on years of research and development, Mondrian AI has launched a national AI safety R&D initiative in collaboration with leading research institutions, including KISTI, bringing together Korea's top AI scientists. Today, generative AI has become deeply embedded in our lives, easily producing images, videos, text, and audio. Yet behind this convenience lie unseen risks. Among them are biased representations based on gender, race, or occupation, and fairness issues in AI-driven decisions, threats that can affect social safety and cohesion. Since the definition of bias constantly shifts across cultures, times, and contexts, a flexible and continuously evolving platform is essential. Mondrian AI's Self-Evolving LLMOps Platform manages and monitors bias detection models across the entire lifecycle, preventing biased or harmful content from being generated and circulated. To develop and operate multimodal models trained on diverse data and algorithms, robust capabilities in big data operations, infrastructure, and cloud technology are indispensable. Mondrian AI is advancing its proven MLOps platform, trusted by both public and private sectors, to strengthen ongoing R&D for safer and more reliable AI. Through continuous learning and retraining, feedback integration, reasoning agents, and guardrail applications, we are building an intelligent bias detection system that evolves and improves itself. Mondrian AI aims to create a safe AI platform that adapts to rapid social and policy changes, flexible enough to reflect the direction set by policymakers and researchers alike. This initiative enhances early bias detection, reduces harmful or discriminatory outcomes, and minimizes potential risks to minorities and vulnerable groups, reinforcing responsible governance and transparency. To achieve these goals, Mondrian AI will collaborate with global research partners to validate the platform across diverse cultural and linguistic environments, ensuring that trustworthy AI experiences can expand throughout society. Together with our international partners, we will conduct pilot implementations and joint evaluations, strengthening global standards and interoperability, and building a safer, more transparent AI ecosystem for all.